What's up guys, James here. You are asking the question, what is the difference between CARPRO DarkSide and CARPRO PERL? And today I'm going to go over these two products, specifically the differences and the similarities they have with each other, and to help you guys determine which one is better for you. So I'm going to start off with PERL, which is the older of the two products. It's been around a lot longer. PERL is actually an acronym. It stands for plastics, engine, rubber, and leather, meaning that this product can go on all of those different surfaces. It can be diluted down anywhere from straight or all the way down to 1 to 5, depending on the look or finish, the dressing, if you will, that you want on each of those surfaces, whether it be on the interior, your engine bay, or the tires itself. Now, when talking about the tires specifically, we like to use this one straight, interior anywhere from 1 to 3 to 1 to 5. Usually that 1 to 5 is a sweet spot. Engine bay, again, 1 to 1, even straight. Kind of depends on what you guys like. Play around with it, see exactly what you like and what fits your specific look. PERL in itself, when it goes onto either your tires or especially in the inside, it does have a little bit of UV protection. Now, again, this is a water-based dressing, so it does have a little bit of UV protection, but it's not going to be, it shouldn't be considered a dedicated protectant, if that makes sense. Now, moving over to DarkSide, I like to think of this as like PERL's edgy older cousin. It is extremely good at what it does, but it only does one thing, or at least one thing well from our tests. DarkSide is not a dressing, but it is a sealant, which means it lasts a lot longer than CARPRO PERL. But DarkSide, where this is going to excel, is the tires. This is a tire sealant. So step one is to prep the tires as best as you can. CARPRO Retire is going to be the product for that. It's going to be a one and done application. Make sure the tire's dry, and then DarkSide can be put on. If you are in Florida like us, that's where we do a lot of our testing, but we get a lot of feedback from across the United States and even Canada. DarkSide should give you a few months of protection. Down here, we were averaging about 2 to 3 months, even with heavy rainstorms with cars that sat outside. But my favorite part about DarkSide is the look. So it goes on really dark, really shiny. Once it dries, it kind of mats a little bit down. But for the extended period of when this product is applied to the tires, it just looks rich and dark on the tires. PERL's going to have a little bit more shine. Again, mats down similarly. They're going to look pretty similar. The only benefit is that DarkSide's going to last a lot longer and it's going to protect. So your wheels, or excuse me, your tires will actually bead water and resist some of the contaminants that you would normally get attached to those tires. We did do some tests on DarkSide. We actually even have a video about it of us testing it on some exterior trim plastics, and even textured plastics, and it didn't perform the way that we want it to, so we're really just recommending this product just for tires. That's going to mainly be the whole difference between these two products. Really just pick whichever one you need. Are you going for more of a look with a lot more versatility, a lot more economic capabilities with this product because you can use it in a lot more areas? Or are you looking for the product that is a dedicated tire sealant that's going to do a really fantastic job and offer significant protection? DarkSide is going to be the right for you. So hopefully that guys helps. If you have any further questions, please leave them down below. We always like making videos for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.